Hello viewers, in this video I am going to give you review about an application whose name is Trust Wallet. So for this application you just uh, uh, for for creating an account on this application, you just want to go to Play Store and install this application. In this video I will tell you a simple trick by which you can create multiple Trust Wallet accounts. If you want to create multiple Trust Wallet accounts, then click on this plus icon and go to, and here you can see clearly that create a new wallet option, and here it will ask you to choose a difficult pin which you didn't forget in the future. So I'm going to choose the pin. I think I forget the recent pin. I'm going again clicking on this create wallet option because I forget the pin which we have created recently. 76681276681. So I have successfully chosen a pin. Now click on this continue option, which is delay, divorce, sister, embrace, reason. We will have to copy this and paste it in this message box. New message, paste it here. Delay, divorce, sister, embrace, reason. So here we just have to write that pin again. Delay, oh sorry, delay, divorce, sister, embrace, reason. Again paste it here. Average, spin, run, dolphin, rush. Sorry, trash. Sorry, I forget. Average, spin, run, dolphin. Average, spin, run, dolphin. Average. So you just have to click on this average, spin, run, dolphin, trash, surface, long. So well done. Now you have to click on this done button. Here your wallet is created successfully. Your wallet was successfully created. Now this type of interface will be shown on your screen. You just if you want to add custom token, then you have to click on these three lines. After that, click on this custom token option, add custom token. From here it will ask you about your network. From here you just have to choose the network, which is smart chain, ethereum, polygon, tron, vchain, optimistic ethereum, arbitrum, avalanche, c chain, xdai, phantom, huobi, eco chain, callisto, ethereum classic, waves, kava, terra. These are the all networks which you have to choose before adding custom token. So here you just have to paste the contact address of the token which you want to add customly, and here you have to write the name. Here you have to write the symbol and decimals. These are the simple tasks which you have to done in the Trust Wallet to add custom token in your list. And if you want to turn on some tokens, then you just have to click on this and search for the token. As I am searching for the MetaMask token, and click on this go button to search for the specific token. So here I am searching about MetaMask, but here it is not showing any results because the token I think is not in the list which I am searching about. I am going to again search about MetaMask, but I think I maybe my internet connection is not stable. So this is the video in which I have told you and given you the complete review about the application whose name is Trust Wallet. Here is Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Smart Chain, each and every um, application and software review. So for other applications and softwares review, you can subscribe my channel, and never forget to press the bell icon so that you never miss further updates from my channel. This was the complete overview and review about this application whose name is Trust Wallet. So it's an humble application, humble request to you that please don't copy my this ID and don't use this account. So and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.